So Shiva Yoga says the teaching is complete only when you release the opposite factors. The opposite factors, the resisting factors, the negativity, you have to release it. After you release the negativity, the flow of energy, like whatever I am giving from outside is creating a flow of energy. But whatever you have inside is also creating a flow of energy. So they mix together and flow of energy. So whatever Guru is giving, there should not be any conflict in his teachings. So then it is only possible when the negative flow of energy, that is that whatever programming is there, the negative programming in the consciousness because of the past negative psychic impressions, if they are released, then whatever positive things you receive, you become very receptive. And you start, then it becomes your, Shiva Yoga becomes your inbuilt phenomena. Are you with me? Because I'm explaining to you what I'm doing. And then is to remind you about your own self. What is your own self? Because self-realization, when you act exactly according to yourself, you attain self-realization. So, the basic principle is happiness. I yesterday said the inner smile. Yes or no? That must become your inbuilt phenomena. Now, wherever your attention goes, to whosoever you look at, whether your inner body or outside, or the tree or the people, there should be smile from the deep inside. Another is unconditional love. You must radiate unconditional love. And this is only possible when you have been able to forgive others and you have been able to accept everyone. Remember, it is a God's creation. It is the creation of superconsciousness. And superconsciousness knows what is right. So instead of analyzing what is wrong, you must enjoy the creation of God.